How to check flight status. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to check flight status. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for google.com. Once you have opened Google, in the search box search for how to check flight status, or you can also simply go to the flight tracker link. So once you are under the interface of how to check flight status, tap on the first link you see there, that is flight tracker. Now go ahead and enter your flight details, that is your airline's name, flight number, and the date. Now tap on the search button, and with this you will be able to view the detailed flight details of the particular flight you entered. So this is how you can check flight status. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.